Your brain literally erases sounds you make yourself, which is exactly why your own snoring never wakes you but wakes everyone else. The mechanism is called efference copy, sometimes known as corollary discharge. Every time your body is about to make a sound, the brain sends a duplicate of that motor command to the auditory system as a heads-up. The hearing centers use that copy to predict the incoming self-made sound and dampen their response before it ever reaches awareness. It is the same reason you cannot tickle yourself. The brain cancels sensations it generated, so it can stay alert to surprises from the outside world. Take the free hearing quiz, link in bio.